In a perfect world, astronomers would have unlimited access to wonderful telescopes and unfettered resources to scour the universe. Being imperfect, however, means that researchers must scramble to reserve observation time for unique celestial events and glimpses of the out of the ordinary. So, when a queue forms for a never-before-seen spectacle that may light up the cosmos with an explosion of light, we naturally pay attention. Like now. It's two supermassive black holes with a combined mass of hundreds of millions of our suns, and they appear to be on a collision course with each other. What their cataclysmic encounter will unleash is anyone's guess, but it's very likely to be spectacular. Welcome to Fact Nominal. In today's video, we peer across deep space at an event that has long been predicted but never witnessed by humanity. What will we see? For ages, events astronomers witness in real time have been as much about the luck of looking at the right place at the right time as any warning that an unusual event is coming. On top of that, it seems highly unlikely that a telescope first put into commission almost 3/4 of a century ago would make a meaningful contribution to the study of black holes, perhaps the universe's most bizarre showcase of the laws of physics. But in 2017, the 48-inch Samuel Ocean Telescope at California's Palomar Observatory was dramatically upgraded with the ZTF camera, capable of covering 47 square degrees of sky per image. And now, with nightly surveys of the entire visible sky looking for the rare and the exotic, astronomers have detected what may well be a collision of historic proportions. A team led by Ning Zhang of the University of Science and Technology of China, working with data gleaned from the ZTF camera at Palomar, stumbled across the rare and the exotic. My first instinct was that it must be related to a pair of supermassive black holes, he said. Even more unusual is what appears to be happening. As soon as 100 days from now, the two supermassive black holes may collide. Tick-tock. That's the sound of the cosmic countdown the team believes it detected in the center of a galaxy some 1.2 billion light-years from Earth. The detection of periodic cycles began when Ning Zhang noticed a unique behavior with the light curve beaming from the galaxy. The signal was interpreted to be from a binary pair of black holes that are the active galactic nucleus, which dramatically heat material drawn in and cause the galaxy to shine extremely brightly. Very interesting in its own right, but a small number of these have been detected by X-ray telescopes, and they're hundreds of light-years apart and won't collide for millions, if not billions of years. And astronomers say the likelihood of seeing such a collision from Earth is perhaps 1 in 10,000 in any given year, at least until this year. Now we switch gears from very interesting to a possible once-in-10 millennia chance to witness it actually happen. Here's why. The cycles detected by the team shortened dramatically over just 3 years, going from 1 year to only 1 month. Their observations were confirmed by NASA's orbiting Neil Gehrels Swift Observatory. The team says data shows the black holes, with a combined mass of hundreds of millions of suns, get as close to each other as the Sun and Pluto and will collide in the next 100 to 300 days. And their just-released study states the supermassive black hole binaries are in the last stage of orbital evolution. Gravitational wave radiation drives the binary in spiral and produces the loudest siren awaiting to be detected. The team expects a burst across the entire electromagnetic spectrum, from gamma rays to radio waves, and a massive emission of neutrinos. In plain English, grab a bag of popcorn. We might be in for a show. Predictions vary for the end of this cosmic countdown, anywhere from 3 months to 3 years from now, and exactly what will be seen is anybody's guess, since this incredible event has only been theorized by astronomers. They've been predicted for years, just never witnessed in real time. Andrew Fabian, professor at the Institute of Astronomy at the University of Cambridge, says it's a singularly unique opportunity to see something wholly new. He said it's never been witnessed before. At the moment, there's quite a lot of gas, but the violent acceleration of the orbits as they approach each other may cause a massive outflow of gas. This could be quite luminous, or could even obscure the situation. Astronomers don't quite know how supermassive black holes attain their massive size, with some reaching 20 billion times the mass of the Sun. This may be the chance to see if the enormous size of some of the giants is in fact due to merging with other black holes. These monsters exist in the center of nearly, if not all, galaxies, and as galaxies merge, it's very likely their black holes get caught up with each other's gravitational forces, and the collision could be spectacular on a scale we can only imagine. Tick-tock. As can be expected, astronomers are racing to lock in telescope observation time in the coming weeks and months. Team member Huan Yang of the Perimeter Institute in Waterloo, Canada, says we've seen people acting pretty fast. All over the planet, researchers are poring over radio observation archives to confirm the signal and looming event. If the boom happens, says Emma Kuhn of Konkoly Observatory in Hungary, it will confirm many things. There should be a huge burst across the electromagnetic spectrum, from gamma rays to radio. Fabian has applied for time on NASA's Neutron Star Interior Composition Explorer, an X-ray telescope on the International Space Station. He says, if it's true, then it's important to get as many observations as possible now to see what it's doing. Rare events do happen. And Yang predicts many cosmological loose ends will be tied up if astronomers are able to witness this momentous merging. He says you'll be able to test all your predictions using this single example. So, what do you think about the possible collision of two supermassive black holes? Will it fizzle, or will it swing open doors to understanding more about our amazing universe? Tell us in the comments, and as always, thank you for watching Fact Nominal.